All right, looks like I got a little bit of wall cloud, a little bit of a lowering. Got a big hail shaft over there. Got a decent hail shaft here to the right-hand side, making the turn. You should be able to see it here in a moment. There we go. Look at this. Nice hail shaft about to move in momentarily. We are near Lyons and Fleetwood, Pennsylvania. It's in Berks County. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes. Pea-sized hail falling currently, just little. Here we go. Woo! Nice low rainbow there. Look at that. That's cool. That is so cool. Probably one of the lowest rainbows I've ever seen. Shocked you recognized who I was, to be honest.
Well, I kind of was like, hey, wait a minute, this cut, I'd bet money on it.